The amount of health record data and the complexity of clinical trials is growing exponentially. So is the cognitive overload of our healthcare staff. Each year, oncologists and their teams must match their patients to thousands of clinical trials. It's a complex, high-effort task. Research teams must manually review each patient chart and sift through individual clinical notes to find crucial data that relate to each trial's criteria. The status quo is thus reactive rather than proactive. Patients are matched primarily upon clinician request. Therefore, many patients can get overlooked for matching trials. Now, imagine a scenario where a few clicks replace much of this manual workflow. Enter Prism, our patient trial matching solution with advanced data processing capabilities powered by generative AI. Prism is supported by our proprietary oncology large language model. We specifically trained this model on diverse datasets specific to oncology. In turn, this training allows our model to accurately capture the nuanced data in an oncology patient's chart, no matter if the data is quantitative, free text, or distributed across dozens of documents. How does Prism work? As soon as we engage as partners, our HIPAA-compliant platform and model processes your relevant patient and trial data. Moving forward, our system continuously screens your patients with upcoming appointments for your ongoing studies. We can pre-screen the majority of your patient population with minimal effort. And again, the system can process free text clinical notes and digitized PDF files and does not require any complex, study-specific builds. Importantly, we show our work at each step by directly citing the patient's medical record, allowing clinicians and study staff to quickly verify patient eligibility. Optionally, we can provide trained and dedicated oncology trial navigators to help with this verification and ease any workforce or adoption challenges. These navigators can then directly pass the list of eligible matching trials to each clinician before their patient visits. Finally, our business model is highly partnership-driven. The costs of our technology and services are passed on to study sponsors, and we are compensated only when patients are successfully enrolled in trials. Moreover, we retain no rights to reuse your data for any other purposes, unlike some of our competitors. And finally, we've partnered with numerous leading cancer centers in the US and are backed by top Silicon Valley investors. Contact us today to discover how Prism can help your institution match more patients to trials.